Now, the second type of hater that I run into is the backhanded compliment. So these type of people, they're the ones that will say things like, oh my goodness, you look so good. I would look good too if I didn't have X, Y, and Z, or if I didn't have to do X, Y, and Z, right? So, if you have 3 kids and they have 4 kids, they'll be like, oh, I've got 1 extra kid, that keeps me busier, so I can't do what you did. Or if you're 49 and they're 52, they'll say things like, oh, if I was in my 40s, I could do it too, right? So they give you a compliment, then they almost invalidate your effort next. And these people are really sneaky because you leave feeling violated almost. You're like, huh? You don't feel very good about yourself. You don't feel like you worked very hard, or like your accomplishments were that amazing, because they make them seem smaller. And basically, this type of person is just looking for a reason as to why they can't reach their goal, and they just want to stay comfy in their